Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Bone broth. Bone broth is a powerhouse for collagen-rich foods and is surprisingly simple to make. You extract collagen, gelatin, and a host of nutrients by simmering animal bones, often from chicken, beef, or fish, along with vegetables and herbs for an extended period. This rich, savory liquid is delicious and packed with benefits. One of the standout advantages of bone broth is its ability to support joint health, helping to reduce inflammation and improve mobility. The collagen in bone broth can enhance skin elasticity, giving you that youthful glow. Incorporating bone broth into your daily meals is easy and versatile. You can sip it as a warm drink, use it as a base for soups and stews, or add it to sauces and gravies for an extra flavor boost. With its numerous health benefits, bone broth is a fantastic addition to your diet. Eggs. Eggs are a fantastic source of nutrients that support collagen production, making them a valuable addition to your diet. They are rich in amino acids, particularly proline and glycine, essential for synthesizing collagen in the body. By including eggs in your meals, you can help improve skin texture and overall health, as these amino acids contribute to maintaining skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of fine lines. To reap the collagen-boosting benefits of eggs, consider incorporating them into your daily meals in various ways. Start your day with a protein-packed omelet filled with vegetables, or enjoy a classic egg salad for lunch. Add hard-boiled eggs to salads or grain bowls for an extra nutrient boost. For a delicious snack, try deviled eggs seasoned with your favorite spices. With their versatility and health benefits, eggs are an easy and tasty way to enhance collagen intake. Leafy greens. Leafy greens are a powerhouse of nutrients that significantly benefit collagen health. Greens like spinach and kale are rich in vitamins A, C, and K and minerals like iron and calcium, all essential for collagen production and maintenance. These nutrients help support the skin's structure and promote overall skin health. Additionally, leafy greens are vital in reducing oxidative stress on the skin, which lead to premature aging and collagen breakdown. To incorporate more leafy greens into your diet, consider making a vibrant salad with fresh spinach, cherry tomatoes, avocado, and a light vinaigrette. For a nutrient-packed smoothie, blend kale with banana, almond milk, and a scoop of protein powder for a delicious and filling drink. Adding these greens to your meals can enhance your collagen levels while enjoying their numerous health benefits. Legumes. Legumes, including beans and lentils, are excellent sources of essential amino acids that play a vital role in collagen production. These amino acids are collagen's building blocks, helping maintain skin structure and elasticity. Incorporating legumes into your diet supports collagen synthesis and offers numerous benefits for skin health and overall nutrition. Rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, legumes can help improve digestion and provide sustained energy throughout the day. To enjoy the collagen-boosting properties of legumes, consider adding them to your meals in various ways. You can create a hearty bean chili with flavor and nutrients, or toss lentils into salads for added protein. Another great option is to blend cooked beans into smoothies for a creamy texture without altering the taste. You can enhance your collagen levels by including legumes while enjoying their versatility and deliciousness. Whole grains. Whole grains significantly support collagen health by providing essential nutrients for production and maintenance. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, whole grains help combat oxidative stress, which can damage collagen fibers. Options like quinoa, brown rice, and oats are particularly beneficial. Quinoa is a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids needed for collagen synthesis. Meanwhile, brown rice and oats offer fiber and B vitamins that support overall skin health. To incorporate whole grains into your meals, consider starting your day with a warm bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh fruits and nuts for added nutrients. Try a quinoa salad mixed with colorful vegetables and a light dressing for lunch. For a balanced dinner, you can serve brown rice as a side dish with stir-fried vegetables and lean protein. You can enhance your collagen levels by including whole grains while enjoying their delicious flavors and health benefits.